Alfa Romeo, a name that evokes passion, precision, and Italian flair. And in 2026, it's turning the page to a bold new chapter. From radical design tweaks to electrifying performance upgrades, the 2026 Alfa Romeo lineup isn't just evolving, it's redefining what it means to drive with soul. Today, we're diving deep into everything you need to know about the 2026 Alfa Romeo. The looks, the powertrain, the tech, and whether it still carries the DNA of the legendary Milanese marque. Let's get into it. The first thing you'll notice: a silhouette that's sharper, sleeker, and more aerodynamic than ever before. Alfa Romeo hasn't just refreshed the exterior, they've sculpted a statement. The iconic tri-lobo front fascia remains, but it's been refined, now flanked by slimmer matrix LED headlights that slice through the dark with surgical precision. The wheels, forged alloys up to 21 inches, wrapped in Pirelli P0 rubber for that aggressive stance. And of course, it wouldn't be an Alfa without color options that scream Italian confidence. Inside, the 2026 Alfa Romeo blends racing heritage with futuristic luxury. The cockpit is driver-centric, wrapped in Alcantara and carbon fiber, yet elevated with cutting-edge tech. You'll get a fully digital 12.3-inch cluster with Alfa's new S-Curve UI, customizable to your driving style. Center stage: a 14-inch floating infotainment screen powered by Stellantis' latest Uconnect 6, lightning-fast, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto ready. Wireless charging, voice control, ambient lighting with 64 color options, and a 14-speaker Harman Kardon system that turns every drive into a concert. But let's talk power, because Alfa didn't forget its roots. The top-tier Quadrifoglio model is now a plug-in hybrid, combining a 2.9-liter twin-turbo V6 with an electric motor, pushing out a jaw-dropping 680 horsepower. 0 to 60. Just 3.1 seconds. And when you're not tearing up the track, it offers 40 miles of pure electric range, perfect for city cruising. With Alfa's updated Q4 all-wheel drive system, adaptive suspension, and DNA Pro drive modes, every twist and turn feels like poetry in motion. The 2026 Alfa Romeo isn't just a car, it's an experience. A beautiful contradiction of raw performance and refined luxury, wrapped in a design that only Italy could produce. If you're looking for something that stands out in a sea of sameness, the Alfa delivers. But what do you think? Is the 2026 Alfa Romeo a true return to form or just another flashy reboot? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more deep dives into the future of automotive excellence.